first you guys are going to take off. You're going to go through the start-finish gate. Immediately after, you're going to go through this one right here, take a left turn sweeper into this gate right here, and then hang a right turn, and then into this reverse split S, go to the bottom left and then top left. Then you're going to go all the way to the other side of the room. This is a high-low spiral down. Then a left turn around this flag, right turn around this flag, through the tunnel, hang a left, and then that's the full track. Alright, so the line choice for this one is actually reasonably simple. Once you take off and go through the start-finish, once you're to this gate, like right about here, you should already kind of be turning left towards that gate there. So if you watch this, if I go through it like this, I'm already starting my turn, and by the time I've gone through the gate plane, I'm already staring directly at the gate that I'm about to go through, and then that will line me up, and you don't have to go through this perfectly like that, as straight. You go through that gate more like at a 45-degree angle a little bit. So once you're already looking at that gate, you are then perfectly lined up for these two flags. So that's reasonably simple. And then this reverse split S here, you can do this a few ways. You can do, there's a bunch of different ways that you can take this. Like you can go through and then turn around like this, and then go back through. So me personally, if I'm going as fast as I can, you'll notice that I start my pre-turn really early. So by the time I'm going through this gate, I'm literally pointing away from it. And if I'm going quick, you can see that I'm actually using more pitch than I am roll. So I'm like pitching up and looking at it. So it kind of looks like this when I fly it. You get the idea. I'm going to run through this real quickly so you guys can see. Let me run through it one more time. So you see on that, and I'll play this in slow-mo, that I am literally like sideways and pitching up as I'm going through that gate, because that gets you through it so quick. And then on the way to this high-low, I just go to the left of this flag here, because it is an absolute straight shot, like this. And then I just do a left hand through this because that's what feels best to me. You can do a right hand, it doesn't really matter, but in my opinion, coming out of this and then doing a left hand, it just feels better. And then a simple apex around that flag, around this one, through the tunnel, and then there it is. So this track is quite simple, but I found it really fun to fly, especially this reverse split S section right here, because this section is actually reasonably difficult to do it quickly, but once you get it, it is super satisfying. So I will do the track really quick at my full speed so you guys can study my lines a little bit, and then we'll be wrapped up for today. If you notice, my quad is actually flying sideways most of the time. That's because this track has a lot of little sweeping turns, and I'm trying to push the quad in the direction of the next turn before it even starts. And that's a new PB. Okay everybody, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you learn your lines with this track. Good luck in the race, and I will see you guys in the next one.